Ladies and gentlemen, growth and innovation. These are two of the main topics we will be focusing on this year. At the same time, we stand on the threshold of a new era. Late this year, we will launch our Neue Klasse, a project that is unprecedented in both form and significance in the history of the BMW Group. With the Neue Klasse, we will be turning the mobility of the future into reality. Driving dynamics, drivetrain, battery technology, operating concept, digitalization including AI. We have refined each of these aspects and in the case of design, even skipped a generation. In this way, we are redefining not only the BMW brand, but also the future of individual mobility. Standing here next to me is the BMW Vision Neue Klasse X. The series version of this vehicle will kick off the Neue Klasse. Production will ramp up at our new plant in Debrecen late this year. And after that, the rollout will continue in rapid succession, including a sporty sedan at the core of the BMW brand in 2026. We are deliberately starting out in high-volume segments. We want our innovations to have a broad impact, not just in niche segments. Between now and 2027, we will release more than 40 new or updated BMW models onto the market, from electric to plug-in hybrid to vehicles with combustion engines. Each of them will have the DNA of the Neue Klasse. The Neue Klasse is BMW and BMW is the Neue Klasse. The Neue Klasse is more than just a single vehicle. It marks the beginning of a completely new generation and introduces our technology boosters for the entire brand. Regardless of the drive technology, all future BMW models will benefit from the technologies of the Neue Klasse and, of course, also from the new design language. Allow me to share a few examples of our groundbreaking advances in technology. With the BMW Panoramic iDrive, we are reimagining our typical BMW driver orientation. The all-new BMW Panoramic Vision is the centerpiece. And this newly developed head-up display projects content across the full width of the windscreen. Seamless integration of various display and operating elements enables a completely new level of intuitive interaction. From the launch of the very first model of the Neue Klasse, all future BMW models will come with BMW Panoramic iDrive. The sixth generation of our BMW eDrive technology will make e-mobility even more appealing to our customers. The new BMW round cells promise 20% higher energy density, 30% faster charging, and at least 30% more range. In certain models, even more. And within just 10 minutes, enough energy for another 300 kilometers can be recharged. For the first time, the Gen 6 high-voltage batteries also feature the latest 800-volt technology and enable bidirectional charging. And compared to the current fifth generation, we have reduced the cost of the new eDrive system by 40 to 50% on a comparable electric range basis. The electronics architecture has also been completely newly redesigned. Going forward, its 4 high-performance computers will control key customer functionalities. For example, driving dynamics, automated driving, and infotainment. These superbrains deliver more than 20 times the in-vehicle computing power than current systems. This makes our models future-proof for software and functional updates, as well as new AI features. We've also greatly simplified the electrical system, dividing it into 4 zones with intelligent control. 600 meters less wiring, a 30% reduction in weight, and a 20% increase in energy efficiency are just some of the few improvements we will achieve with this. And of course, we are also harnessing technical opportunities to take driving dynamics to a whole new level. The BMW Vision driving experience showcases the potential of the technologies introduced in the Neue Klasse. We are pushing driving dynamics to its physical limits. This highly emotional driving machine will thrill more than just BMW fans. The VDX is the most powerful development prototype BMW has ever built, and we are using it to test our Heart of Joy, one of the 4 superbrains in the Neue Klasse. We developed the software for the driving dynamics control system entirely in-house. This will be used in all future electric BMW models, setting completely new standards for dynamic performance and efficiency at the same time. It is hard to put it into words exactly how it feels behind the wheel. You simply have to experience it. Well, I guess you can't fake that kind of enthusiasm. Our board of management already had the chance to drive the serious version of the Neue Klasse. And let me tell you, we were all equally excited about the driving experience, but not just in terms of pushing the physical limits. Most importantly, we were deeply impressed by the added value our technologies create for our customers in everyday situations. This is truly the next level of sheer driving pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, we first announced the Neue Klasse at our annual conference back in 2021. You remember. Today, just 4 years later, we are entering the final stretch. Standing next to me is one of the prototype vehicles we have been producing in Debrecen since late last year. What is still hidden under camouflage foil here will be unveiled at the IAA Mobility in Munich in early September. There, we will present the production model that will be available to our customers next year. I can already reveal one key detail to you today. This BMW will be released onto the market as the BMW iX3. This is how we continue the success story of the first all-electric BMW X model that has won over BMW fans worldwide since 2020. Testing of the new BMW iX3 is in full swing. These impressions show that the next BMW iX3 is a typical X model and a BMW through and through. As I'm sure you saw at the end of the film, the final phase of development for the sporty sedan, the second Neue Klasse vehicle, is also progressing rapidly.